Do you love that soapy clean, fresh, just out of the shower scent? Or do soapy perfumes smell too sharp for you? Today we are counting down 10 soapy perfumes, from soft and elegant to bold and classic. By the end, you can decide, love them or hate them. Number 10. Pure Grace Eau de Toilette by Philosophy. This one is the definition of fresh laundry and soap. Very light, clean, and simple, perfect for everyday wear. This fragrance features notes of bergamot, water lily, and lavender. Number 9. Light Blue Eau de Toilette by Dolce & Gabbana. A citrusy, fresh scent with a crisp, clean edge that gives off that soapy vibe. This one includes notes of Sicilian lemon, apple, and cedarwood. Number 8. Amazing Grace Eau de Toilette by Philosophy. Soft, feminine, and clean, like a luxury soap with a floral touch. This fragrance features notes of bergamot, muguet, and musk. Number 7. J'adore Eau de Parfum by Dior. A more elevated take on soapy, floral, clean, and very elegant. This fragrance blends ylang-ylang, jasmine, and rose. Number 6. Glow Eau de Toilette by Jennifer Lopez. This one is iconic. It smells like fresh soap and clean skin. This iconic scent features neroli, orange blossom, and musk. Number 5. Prada Infusion d'Iris Eau de Parfum by Prada. A very powdery, clean, high-end soapy scent. Minimal and refined. This high-end fragrance features notes of iris, neroli, and cedarwood. Number 4. Chanel Number 5 Eau de Parfum by Chanel. Classic and bold, a vintage soapy floral that people either love or hate. This classic includes notes of aldehydes, jasmine, and sandalwood. Number 3. Daisy Eau So Fresh Eau de Toilette by Marc Jacobs. Bright, fruity, and clean, a modern and youthful soapy scent. This fragrance features notes of raspberry, grapefruit, and rose. Number 2. Versace Yellow Diamond Eau de Toilette by Versace. Bright, sparkling, and fresh with a clean floral feel that gives off a soft soapy vibe. This fragrance features notes of lemon, neroli, and orange blossom. Number 1. Blanche Eau de Parfum by Byredo. This is the ultimate luxury soapy fragrance, clean, minimal, and effortlessly elegant. This fragrance includes notes of aldehydes, rose, and sandalwood. So that is my list of 10 soapy perfumes, from light and fresh to bold and classic. Do you love soapy fragrances, or do you think they smell too much like soap? Let me know in the comments and subscribe for more fragrance reviews.